Good day and welcome to the Phono Cave. Today we have a little unboxing to do. Sorry for me panting, but it's effing hot. And the humidity is somewhere up in the 80s. So, technically seen, I'm not a happy camper. Me and that type of weather don't go well. Okay. That's it. Yep. And the other side. Okay. We've got visuals, at least I do. Okay. Yes. It seems to be more of a roll than a box. This, I think, should do it. Or should this? Oh, please. Well. There we go. Well, that's packed well. That's how we like to see things packed. Easy. There we are. Upsy daisy. And a whole and a whole bedspread. That could come in handy. Okay, that's the one. Okay. There we are. And that was what was inside. Well, viewers, when I saw the advertisement, I thought it was a Russian clone of a HMV 102. So, although I wasn't sure entirely, placed some photos on a group on phonographs on Facebook, and it's a regular HMV 102, but one that has been through the wars. The story behind it is that that the previous owner took it with him to the country I live in from Tanzania 20 years ago. So this has been well used, and there's all kinds of artifacts on it. Looking at it now, I think it used to be black, just a pretty much normal, boring HMV 102, like we all know them, and then somebody decided to paint it bright red. Yeah, I like the history of this machine. Well, definitely the system that normally takes in the lid is out of whack. Oh, the whole my God, the whole back comes off. Yeah, that isn't supposed to happen. And now I look on the inside. It used to be blue. And the whole motherboard has collapsed. Oh, this is a thank God moment. Look at what we found under the felt. That is something that always goes missing, and almost did here. Yeah, the needle drawer also shows that it's a later model of the 102. I can tell you folks, it's really effing hot. And I'm really not a happy camper. Sweat is pouring off me. Well, this is the 5B sound box reproducer. Well, that surprisingly, it doesn't really seem to be dead. But we're missing the needle screw. But as I well remembered, I got a quite deceased 5B right there with a needle bar. With which everything goes not according to plan when it's this hot. Well, that's weird. Oh, yeah, there we go. Don't know what was obstructing it, but something was. And it's really... So that's basically the first... Oh, it's really, really tight in there. But, yeah, it's coming looser and looser. It doesn't sound very well, doesn't it? The back flange has extended, but the pot metal hasn't done anything nasty, so that's a good thing. You go play over there with your incomplete brother is a record that came with it. Swahili Christmas. And God is Love also in Swahili. It's one of those Bible records which are, if I'm not mistaken, from hard plastic and not from the usual shellac. Let's take one of those one of those bed sheets to wipe my head off because I'm leaking. Okay, we've got that done. Let's get that record out of the way, put it on another machine. Let's get myself a crank. Why doesn't it want to do? I think it needs another. Oh no, it goes. Winding, winding, winding. Okay. Your one automatic brake part is missing. So why I just did that is a mystery even to me. Okay. Oh, there isn't a brake at all. Even the manual brake is has gone missing. There we go. Yeah. Okay, what to do, what to do, what to do. No. There we go. There's a little pot in there with, I presume, other parts. Two rusty needles. And a piece of newspaper. Okay, yeah, okay. Let's find myself a non-rusty needle. I think this one will do. Well, no, that one came from the. There we are. Put the needle in there and. I don't think it will go very well.
Kutoka mle mwangani wa mbingu, malaika wa Bwana akawaambia, msiogope, ninazo habari njema kwa ajili yenu. Ninazo pia habari za furaha kwa watu wote. Kwenu leo hivi amezaliwa Mwokozi, Kristo Bwana, katika mji wa Daudi. Hivi ndivyo mtakavyomtambua kuwa ndiye. Mtamuona mtoto mchanga amefunikwa katika nguo za watoto wachanga, amelala katika hori la ng'ombe. Pamoja na yule malaika lilionekana jeshi kubwa la malaika, wote wakifurahi na kumshukuru Mungu. Baada ya haya, wale malaika walirudi mbinguni. Wachunga walikuja wakamuona mtoto kama vile walivyoambiwa. Hawakujali kile kitanda chake cha majani, wale wanyama waliokuwa wamefungiwa vyumbani mwao, wala wale watu wengine waliokuwa pale. Walimwambia kila mtu, tumemwona yule Mwokozi ambaye ndiye Kristo Bwana. Mungu alikuwa amekwisha kumpeleka chini mwana wake mpendwa kutoka mbinguni kuwa Mwokozi wa ulimwengu. Yeye alikuwa ndiye muumba wa mbingu na nchi. Amekuwapo siku zote na atakuwepo siku zote. Alikuwa ni Mungu asiyeweza kufa. Sasa hapo akigeuka kufanana na sisi ili aweze kumfia kila mtu. Yesu Kristo Bwana alikuwa ndiye kile kitoto kichanga amelala kwenye majani ya mlehorini. Alijinyenyekeza, alikuja kuutoa uzima wake kwa ajili ya kila mmoja wetu. Alikufa msalabani kwa ajili yetu. Alifufuka katika wafu ili atupe uzima wa milele. Mungu anafahamu mioyo yetu yenye dhambi. Hatuwezi kujiokoa wenyewe. Hizi basi ndizo zilikuwa habari njema na kuu sana. Maana Mungu hakumtuma mwanawe ulimwenguni ili auhukumu ulimwengu, bali ulimwengu uokolewe kwa yeye. Basi na tumwendee Yesu, Mwokozi wa roho zetu. Upendo wake ni mkuu namna gani! Nguvu zake ni nyingi namna gani! Yeye mwenyewe ndiye awezaye kuisafisha mioyo yetu. Anaweza kutupa uwezo wa kumfuata yeye. Alikuja ili atuongoze katika njia iliyo nzuri. Basi na tumwamini. Yeye peke yake ndiye awezaye kutusaidia siku kwa siku. Yeye Kristo tu peke yake ndiye awezaye kuleta nuru na furaha mioyoni mwetu.
Okay, before we run over the label, well, I think that motor is quite okay. Well, hope you liked it, and goodbye.